Using the preset Poses and Phonemes for animation. AYMultiCharacter version 2.0 has a rich library of poses and phonemes that can be used for lip sync. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make use of those. Now I want to quickly go to the post library, so I show you what the post library of AYMultiCharacter version 2.0 looks like. You have the B, MP closed shapes, you have the EEF. Now these are all VSIMs, and they are enough to do any lip sync whatsoever that you'd like to do in your animation. So, and to make this work for you, make sure the rig is selected first. So I want to go to the animation tab to make sure my rig is selected. And for lip sync, definitely you want the controls on the face or the mouth region. So I'm just going to select this, hold down Shift to select the other ones. Right now I have all the controls on the face selected, so I can easily go to the post library, and when I double click, I have that corresponding shape based on the thumbnail that I can see. So this is for the O shape. See that? So that's how it works. Okay, then you can just set your keyframe. But I'm going to go Alt G, Alt R, Alt S to reset the mouth shapes. And I also want to show you what this looks like, the facial expression. You have this meditate. I like that so much. You have this silly. You have terrify. And the beautiful thing about this is you can even blend shapes. Now let's assume I want to blend the meditate with sad. I'll just right click on meditate and blend pose, and I can slide towards the meditate or slide backwards towards the sad. Now this way you can even get new shapes. So let me try smile. Right click, blend pose. You can see. So if you are interested in any of these poses, just click and that is going to lock down that particular pose, just like that. All right. So Alt G, Alt R, Alt S once again to reset. And now my intention is to show you how you can make use of the lip sync. So I'll quickly animate a lip sync for this shot. Back to the animation tab. Actually, let me go to the AYMultiCharacter tab. And now you can see I have the shrug animation on this character. So when I hit play, you're going to see the animation for the shrug. Also, I added a rough voiceover that I recorded. I want to animate to that voiceover. So I'm just going to play this. Don't know. So it says don't know. So it's time to animate the don't know. When I'm doing lip sync animation, I like to add scrub, audio scrubbing, so that when I scrub,
Don't know.
I hear
Don't know.
the sound.
Don't know.
Okay, so this is the don't know. So now it's time to go in. I want to select the mouth region as usual. So you can create a selection set for yourself if you want to, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go with this. All right. And now it's time to, I want to zoom in so I see what the lips is doing. And I like to increase this.
Don't know.
Okay, so I'm just going to set a keyframe here and delete every other keyframe. Now from this point, from frame 105 to 150, that's where I want my animated lip sync to be on. So there's an O sound here, so O. So I'm just going to go for the O shape. Now post library will be very helpful here. O. All right, so just set the keyframe there. I'm going to scroll to zoom in.
Don't know.
So I'm going with the shape. Oh no, oh no. That's the shape I'm going with. like don't know. So don't know. So let me go with this. Don't know. A bit tighter. Okay, so let's see.
Don't know. Don't know.
So I need to close. I need to close this. Okay, so I like that. So I'm just going to replace.
Don't know.
Yeah.
Don't know.
Now I need to go back to a closed mouth, just like the character started with, so that the animation can be in a loop. And this is it here, the closed mouth shape. So I'm just going to copy this.
Don't know.
I'm going to paste it here.
Don't know.
All right.
Don't know.
Okay. So it's time to make it tighter. We're actually done, but it's time to make it tighter. So I can just
Don't know.
scrub and see.
Don't know.
I want this to come in a bit earlier.
Don't know. Don't know.
So I want a closed.
Don't know.
Okay.
Don't know. Don't know. Don't know.
Okay. So this should close earlier too.
Don't know.
Fantastic. So I can feel the energy in the lips now.
Don't know.
Okay. All right.
Don't know.
So it's beautiful if we check this out from the layout where we have the full render. So let's see what this looks like. But I have a feeling that it's going to slow down a bit because, of course, this is a well rendered look. But let's see if we can still play at 25 frames. Oh, we can. All thanks to my PC.
Don't know.
All right.
Don't know.
So this is how you take advantage of the phonemes and the pose library of AYMultiCharacter version 2.0.